Hello everyone, Wanda here. I am just finishing what I started last night. Actually, I finished it. I just want to show and go over the next palette that I'm making and show you some cool things about neon, which I'm sure everybody knows, but I still think it's fun to play with it. So yesterday, I made this neon palette live and then did some painting with it. I painted this girl yesterday in the group and she is finished. And I'm going to turn off the lights and show you why the neon and how much fun it can be. And then I'm also going to paint a, a bird of paradise flower. And maybe work on another one that I'm starting. So anyways, hello everyone. It is Sunday night. I don't even know what date it is. I think it's the 12th or something, maybe. Anyways. All right, hang on. Let me grab the light. Boo, we're gonna have a party in here. Okay. See her glow? Isn't that fun? I just think her eyes are totally cool. And her flower. So I'm going to hang out and let a few more people jump on. Hello, everyone. This is our rainbow tears from yesterday. Without black light. With black light. Aren't those eyes something fun? Okay, so there's also, hang on just a minute. You know, there's also a white neon, which technically is clear, and you can use it to enhance any paint to become a neon. So I'm going to turn this one into a watercolor, and I'm just going to blend it the same way I did the others, with gum arabic and water. You guys have to see what this does. It's pretty cool. So this is white or clear neon pigment, gum arabic, some water. Hello. Oops. I promise it's not drugs. It looks terrible if you're just jumping on. It's just white. We're going to make some white neon paint. Really fast. Oops, let me put the light back over here. This one's even more fun because it's kind of a clear So when you paint it on, it dries clear most of the time. But it turns whatever you're doing into neon, like the neon glow. This one takes a little bit more mixing. It's kind of... See, now the Mueller would come in handy. Okay, I'm going to pop that into the palette like I did last night. So what are you guys doing tonight? Anything fun? Being Sunday night, but it's summertime, so anybody have kids at home now? I guess in the US it's summertime. Okay, so I'm gonna play with this so you guys can see what I mean here. I'm gonna play in the mess. So I have some black paper. Where'd it go? So we're just gonna write something, write a message. You know, it's like magic ink or something, you know. Okay, so we'll let that dry. Won't take but just a minute, and I'm sure you noticed that I've dropped some in here. Get that out of there so it doesn't influence our other paint. So I'm going to paint this bird of paradise here after I clean my table. All right, watch this. Did you see it? Did you see the magic? Tell me that's not the coolest thing ever, guys. Disappear. Now it's there. Ha. Anyways, that's the color white that comes in the neon pigment set. It's not technically a white, it's a clear. And when you use it, if you use it for a white, you're going to be, you know, kind of upset with it because it's not white. But it can do some really fun things if you're having, you know, a neon party, a disco 80s party, face painting. Don't use gum arabic on your skin, but you know, you can, these are cosmetic grade pigments, so you can definitely do with them. You can make makeup out of them and fun stuff, add them to your lip gloss or your nail polish and have some fun. So I'm also going to be working on this new girl. I don't know if I'm going to get to her tonight, but I'm going to use the neons that I made last night and work on this Bird of Paradise flower. And I've painted it before on watercolor paper. If you've purchased the Chromatech watercolor brush pens, I think it's the 52 or 54 set. I can't remember which one. It's these guys. If you've purchased that set, it comes with this pad, this watercolor tutorial pad. And the very first tutorial in the pad is that Bird of Paradise. This is their painting. And then this is the one I did. They give you kind of an outline in there. Can you see the outline? And then you do your painting. Anyways, they have these different ones in there. Here's a pear. Sorry, I'm really low here. A feather. I know you probably can't see that, but there's two of each thing, I think. There's a squid. Is that a squid? Jellyfish. Anyways, let me show you. That's what's in there. There is a hummingbird and I don't know, a couple others, feather. Anyway, so that's what I am going to paint on a rock. This is the one I did earlier today with these neons. So yes, it glows just like the other. I don't know if you can see this. I have my light on in here, so. But it does light up like Christmas if you have a neon light or a glow light in your house. So I'm going to use it on this rock and see how it does on a Santorini, because I haven't done that yet. So we shall explore together. Alright, so I'm just going to get a couple of deals of clear water. Hello everyone. Anyone new who's jumping on? I'm just playing with the neons that I made last night, and then I just made, this is it looks white, but it's actually a clear neon. And we're gonna do some fun things with that. All right, so I'm going to mix some colors on my plate here. I'm going to make some colors. So I'm just going to start laying down some color. You know, Santorini is a bit different than paper, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to add a little blue whale. Hello. Who's out there with me? I'm just using the neon watercolors that I made last night and playing with the black light and giggling like a child. If you're just hopping on, that's what's going on here. I did this one earlier. This is on watercolor paper. So I'm trying to work it out on a Santorini rock, which is quite different. Y'all know painting on the rock is quite different than painting on canvas or paper, but we shall see what we come up with here. Hi, Teresa and Helen. Let's see who's with me. I've got Deborah, Helen, Teresa. Hello. It says I have 8 people, but I only show three names. I'm going to wet my surface. With that. Hello. I am working on a bird of paradise here tonight. Just watercolor, the neons that I made last night live. I know I'm repeating myself a lot, but I'm waiting for people to jump on, so. Hello, Wanda here. Hi, Kelly. So I'm working on a bird of paradise here tonight with the watercolors, the neons that I made last night. Mixing them into this pretty flower. And then we're going to have a little blacklight party. So you guys want to see something fun for those of you just popped on? Do you see anything there? That's the color I mixed up tonight. It's clear. And you could write secret messages, right? It looks white, but it's actually a clear color. And of course, these are neon too, so they glow as well. Neon party. Who looked the plate? Hello, everyone. Gonna make some dark turquoises, purples, and greens, and it's a pretty cool palette so far. And I'm gonna pull this one up from here. Hello everyone, Wanda here. I am just doing some painting and hoping to see some people jump on and have some fun with the neon palette. This is actually this is one I did earlier today. Sorry, I got my camera really low so you could see. And if you have the Chromatech watercolor set, it came with this tutorial watercolor book. And this was part of that, the very first tutorial. This is theirs that they painted. So I'm just putting it on a rock. And of course, you know, mine's nothing like their beautiful professional one, but I'm having fun nonetheless. Hello. Hi guys, a lot of you jumping on now. How's everyone tonight? Anybody painting? Bird of paradise. Flower. Hello everyone. So what do you think? It's kind of coming out okay, yeah? Hi Kathy, Debbie. Well, you guys are quiet tonight. Not a single peep. You guys all cooking supper? What are you having? We had fish and chips. I think I'm just almost done here. So if I keep fussing, then it's gonna really get messier. What do you guys think? Shall we be done? I'm gonna add a little green in here. All right. Bird of paradise. So that's all mixed colors made with the neons. So you can see how versatile they are. You can mix pretty deep, dark colors. So let's just, actually that is every color there. So let's just mix them all together. And we should end up with some kind of a purpley brown. We'll add some yellow and have some brown here, so you guys can see. They're pretty primary colors, so see, now you got brown. So really all you need are a few colors to make every color out there. And I like working with the neons because you get the vibrancy. So nice gray brown. So, you know, if you need a brown, you can still make a brown. Color theory, right? So, let's add some of our clear neon. Some of this stuff. I wonder if I turned off commenting because I don't see anything. Are you guys talking to me? I can see that you're on, but I can't see if you're commenting. I'm just adding a little bit of that clear. I'm going to make this pop even more. Should we name it? Can you see it? Like lights it on fire. So if you wanted to mix that in with your colors and make them even more neon, can you see the plate, how it glows? You see that? These are already neon, but that one is like power neon. It's crazy. Pretty cool. That's the one we did last night. Look at those eyes. And the one I just did. You know, it's not lined or anything, but not bad for a charged, glowing bird of paradise, right? Look at the plate. It's so fun. And the neons. All right, I'm done playing. So I'm assuming that since nobody's getting to talk to me, that comments must be off for some reason. And I apologize for that, you guys. If you're talking to me, I'm not seeing anything. And I'm pretty sure you guys are probably talking to me because you always talk to me. So, and I'm getting messages galore. I'm going to cut it short tonight because I don't know what the technical difficulty is, but thank you so much for jumping on and hanging out with me while I paint the bird of paradise. I'm going to line it off camera and I'll show you the finished product. See you guys later.